I explored the educational technology feature S'more Flyers. This is an online interactive way to design and send out newsletters. The website allows you to design different newsletters or create your own, as well as add multimedia features, edit and change the colors, change the font, change the style, and then share it with a list of people that you need to include either through email or by a media platform or a social platform. So to begin here, you would just do start a newsletter, and it allows you to pick sort of the category that you'd like to do. And so because I would like to do an educational welcome back barbecue to school, I'm going to choose event. And then this is start by picking a title. So we can change this here by typing in welcome back to school barbecue. I'm not going to put a subtitle right now. So there's that. And actually you can change the design and the background. So I want to do I'll just do these cookies for now because it looks fun. Okay, so we're going to edit this area here, and it is welcome back to school barbecue. In this area, we can write come join the fun. And then we can put some details here. Come out for the welcome back to school barbecue and enjoy food, games, prizes, music, and more. So if you want to add a picture, I already went ahead earlier and did a Google search for a sort of cartoon looking barbecue. So I'm actually going to open that and add it in here. You can search up here. You can open up a new tab and at the top, and you can search any, like if you just want to put hot dogs and hamburgers, picture of that, you could search that, save it in your pictures, and then add it. Okay, so your event name, welcome back barbecue. So if we were beginning the school year at an elementary school, say, we'd probably want to make it a few weeks into school. As we know, people take a little bit to get into school, or people moving or switching schools. So say we would put it for September 23rd, and we would start it right after school. So you'd probably say 4-ish. And then, so you'd say school location, you'd put the address of the school that you wanted to do. And then you'd add more details. So in this area, you would say things like tickets are $5 each. And then allow visitors to RSVP to the event. Email me when a new guest RSVPs. Allow visitors to RSVP as well. So say we just said done. Oh yeah, and then get directions. So there's a map here. You can edit and actually put the address in so that people could see it. Next is going to be the agenda. So in this area would be something like pie eating contest at 5 p.m. 5 o'clock if you have specific times. Prizes given at 6 o'clock or something like that. Okay, and so you can actually add another picture there. I don't have anything I actually want to put there right now. So what I'll do is I'll open a new tab and we can say pie eating contest. And then go to images. And then just pick one that you would like to put on your digital flyer. So we'll do that one. So then we would just do save image, pie eating. That way when we go back to flyer, we can open this up and then we can type in pie eating contest and it opens right there for us. And there we go. Pie eating contest at 5 o'clock. The next option here is to add more photos. So if you had a Ferris wheel or a bouncy castle, you could absolutely search bouncy castle and go to images. And then we'll just choose this one here. So we're going to save this as bouncy castle. We'll go back to our flyer and we're going to add a picture and we're going to say bouncy castle. There it is. There we go. So then if you wanted to add bouncy castle and then Ferris wheel or a roll of tickets, you could do that as well. This option under here is to add your sponsors. So if you had, say, these lovely cookies in the background, I think they're macaroon cookies. If you had somebody donating macaroon cookies or you wanted to list the school, you could list that all here. And then under here is where you can add extra things. So you can click on audio and you can search YouTube and say YouTube It's a wonderful day. Say Michael Bublé. So we could actually copy the link address and then go back to our flyer and we can put that right here. There we go. So we're going to embed Michael Bublé's video and audio within our newsletter. And then you can actually put other embedded links. So again, like I was saying, any of the sponsors, or you can put, www.elementary school into your newsletter as well. So there's a bunch of different links, elementaryschool.com. You can also add videos here. You can add a biography, even like of the school, if you want to write, the school's history or something in there, and other photos. You can add more text. You can add a whole different event in there, and a new file, as well as a button that you want to have in there. So say food bank, the link. So if we wanted to have canned goods as well as enter with a canned good and donate to the local food bank, then we could say food bank. And then you could copy the link for a food bank in your area of the school, put it here. Foodbank.com, and then say donate now to our local, food bank. There we go. So then that way you have the button here and it's going to go right to that website. You can donate. So say we've finished our flyer and we're welcome back to school. Yep, we like the orange. And then say you want to, you can change your fonts here as well. If you wanted it to be a little bit, there we go. If you wanted it to be a little bit more Fancy. And then we're going to say done editing, preview and share your newsletter. So when you say done, okay, so we have to scroll and get rid of this. There we go. All right, so here we are, done editing. Now it's going to give you a final copy, and this is where you can share via email, share on social media, so you can share it to your Facebook, copy or embedded link. Let's see. Okay, so say, all right, so the direct link to this page, let's copy that. And then this is what's going to be sent out with this nice background here. And this is a great app for saving paper, so environmentally friendly, as well as photos of the school, and you're able to actually send it out to a wider audience, because if you don't have the home address of everybody that you want to invite, you would then put it through your school email and then send it through your school, which is probably on Facebook as well. They probably have a group on there, so you can actually post it to that. So even more grandparents and friends and neighborhood would see this and maybe want to come and join the Welcome Back to the School barbecue. And that's all for today. Thank you.